Hey you guys, we're at permission number 2, started out today. We're gonna go to all 3 permissions because there's not gonna be many birds out. But they're resident birds, and those guys are really squeamish, and they really don't give you an opportunity to take many shots before they're gone. So we're gonna try to make one video. We're gonna go to all 3 farms. Today is crazy. It's like 70 degrees. It's like November 21st or 2nd or something like that, and we had to take advantage of this to get out on the farms one more time. So got the P15 with me, got the 25 in the car in case we run into some pigeons. And so let's go see what we can find out here today. It's really windy. I had this thing in the car recording so the wind wouldn't affect it. You might probably hear the wind now that I have it out in the wind. But so there's quite a bit of wind here. So I probably would take those silo shots up there anyway because the wind is going to blow that pellet a long way away. All right, let's go and see what we can get here. And then we're going to move on to number 2. Wind is blowing to the right, so I gotta aim a little left. I hope I get him. Got him. And he just went behind there. Guess he flew. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna have to go for a headshot. Nope. The wind is blowing a little bit to the right, your left. Well, I don't know, I'm aiming right there. Got him. There's another one up there somewhere. I can hear him, but I can't see him. Again, the wind is blowing a little bit to my right, your left. Missed him. Oh no, I got him. I got him, feathers everywhere. I always forget to cock the gun. I got a little wind, and I'm not sure what the wind is doing here. I'm gonna go a little to his left. Nope. About 30 yards. I'm gonna go straight at it. Point blank. Was point blank. Off the shoulder shot, so it's gonna be shaky. This guy here is straight up. This is going to be a tough shot because I'm in an awkward position. Aim a little bit to his left, but the wind going right. Missed him. Hey guys, just to give you a perspective on where we're hunting at right now. There's a silo right here. It's an old silo. It's not been used in years. But what it is that these birds, I wish I could zoom in because these birds have been nesting in there. I can see lots of nests up in there. So I think in this summer, they actually nest in that place. And now they're just coming back, and I'm just sitting here. And the reason I keep saying that the wind is blowing to my right is because I pan to my flag. And as you can see, that flag is blowing right to my right. So because of where I'm shooting. So it's really important that I aim a little bit to their left, which is your right. So everything is reversed. Anyway, just a perspective on what we're trying to do. We're just sitting there sniping. They come, one fly in, we shoot, then they fly out, hopefully another fly in. Okay. This guy is up high, top of the silo. The wind blowing a little bit to the right. I'm gonna play him left to your right. Was going to. All right, again, wind to the right, your left. All right, we were able to get a few sparrows off that thing off my shoulder right there. That's an old silo that they used to use, haven't used in years. So things have slowed down. I run all the birds away, so let's go see what we can do at permission number 2 now. I'm sorry, number 3. We're at number 2. All right, Carbon the Con Drive. This is 36 yards straight up. Was. Something just spooked him. I don't know what. About 40 yards away, downwind. Damn. How did I hit short? How did I hit short? I somehow hit short on him. Hit my air low? Well, they're really busy here today, and they're saying laying down sand in the pots. They're really busy here today. And so all the birds are kind of spooked from all the activity because you got that thing there running constantly. And then if you look back here, we got this guy, and he's constantly running, building up the silage and stuff. So there are no birds around. I had 3. I basically had 2 shots, 3 shots. I got 2 sparrows and I missed that pigeon. Time to move on to number 1. See what's over there. Didn't have the magazine in on that last shot. shoot. Got him. Straight up about 30 yards. Nope. Well, that's a tight squeeze right there. Got it. Boy, this is even tighter than the last one. Nope. Before I go, I at least gotta take this shot. Had this shot last time I was here. These guys are about 50 yards away, which is right about a half a mil dot. Nope. Well, we're here at the last permission. It's getting late, so there's not a lot of birds around. Sun's going down early now, so although it looks like I got about another hour, maybe an hour and a half to go. There's just no birds around. I've been to all three places. I don't know, maybe 40 shots. I used to get 40 shots within 2 hours in the old days. Anyway, it was fun to go out and try to hunt all three places again in one day, and that's about the only way you're gonna get a few shots in, because you're not gonna get enough shots in at one place to fill the video this fall. I think the birds have moved on. The resident birds, they're just too smart. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and just call it a day and go on in. Weather bad though, we did get a couple sparrows here. All right, you guys, keep it safe, have a good one.